All right, this question asks, will a reaction be spontaneous or non-spontaneous given that delta H is negative 28.8 kilojoules, delta S is negative 54.0 joules per Kelvin, and the temperature is 298 Kelvin. So whether or not a reaction is spontaneous is all contingent upon the Gibbs free energy. So that's delta G. And if delta G is positive, then it is going to be non-spontaneous. And if delta G is a negative value, then it will definitely be spontaneous. And the equation for calculating delta G is that delta G equals delta H minus temperature times delta S. So in this problem, we're going to have negative 28.8 kilojoules minus, now when we multiply T by delta S, we're going to end up with, so if it's joules per Kelvin times Kelvin, the Kelvins cancel and we're left with just joules. But you have to compare apples to apples. And so if that's in joules and this is in kilojoules, that's where a lot of students make mistakes because they don't pay attention to the units. So after we multiply negative 54 by 298, we need to then convert the joules to kilojoules. So negative 54 times 298 comes out to be negative 1692, and then convert that to kilojoules. So that's going to go in here as negative 16.092, and with sig figs we can probably just call that 16.1 kilojoules. And so negative 28.8 minus negative 16.1, the number is going to come out to be negative. So delta G is negative 12.7 kilojoules. And we don't really worry about the value, just the fact that it is still negative. So this is going to be a spontaneous reaction.